Hello, this is Taj Tires. I've got a Vauxhall Mokka here on a 66 plate, which is 2016-2017. I'm just going to show you basically how to reset or relearn the tire pressure on this particular model. Now this one has 18-inch wheels on. To check the tire size and pressures, so you got it right here. So that's the tire size at the moment, and there the pressures right there. So whichever one you want to do basically. So if you've got the 18-inch right at the top, so you can put 2.2, that's 32 psi. I was already saying 32 psi right there. Look, you can see if you've got load, put 2.7, 2.8, and then same here again, 2.7 and 3 bars if it's a full load. Now to do it, it's quite a simple procedure. Just gonna show you basically how it's done. Right, as you can see, that's the warning light right there. That's what we need to get rid of. Now the buttons you need to press is the menu button right here and the set button right here. So what I do, right, if I press the menu, go to car, and then when I go scroll down with that button right there, scroll down onto tire pressures, I then hold this button. It says, are you sure that you want to relearn? I was like, yes, because I've already done it. Up, and it beeped. So hazard come on. As you can see right there, the hazard have come on, and it's gonna relearn the pressure now. So once it's relearned, all you do is drive, and that should then reset the tire pressure warning light. But make sure you do put the right pressure in, and that's it. Thank you very much. Anything else you need to know, please do let me know, and we'll try helping you out as much as we can, and then we'll go from there. Goodbye.